name is John Brooks, Service Manager, and welcome to Red Hill Toyota. Today I'm going to show you what to expect when you arrive for your appointment at Red Hill Toyota. When you do show up on the day of your appointment and you enter in on the service side of the building, which is the east side, you pull up as close as you can to either one of these doors. The door will automatically go up. When you do enter into the drive-thru, you'll move to the furthest spot available. You can shut the vehicle off, exit the vehicle, and one of the advisors will be with you shortly. If you can't make it during regular business hours, we do offer after-hours drop-off. When you park the car out front, you can come in here, grab an envelope out of the drawer. There is pens and envelopes. Put your keys inside the envelope, fill out the envelope with information, and put it at the back of the drawer. Once you close the drawer, open it back up, everything falls inside the building. Once everything is finalized with your service advisor, if you decide to wait, we do offer free coffee, free Wi-Fi. There's a window at the shop to watch your car get serviced. If you need to go home, we do offer a free Uber ride as well. You can always book an appointment online at any point in time during the day, or you can call in and make the appointment. Thank you very much for choosing Red Hill Toyota to service your vehicle. When you do make the appointment and show up, please feel free to come knock on my door and say hi.